The experience of doing this in concert form is so very different than doing an opera in its intended setting, really, with the orchestra in the pit, because you hear the sort of a different combination of sounds from on stage from when an orchestra is playing in the pit. Whereas here, for example, when I'm by the pillar during part of the opera, I mean, the percussion is right behind me. You can't believe how loud a triangle can be. It's sort of an added challenge to because of the complexity of Strauss's score, an added, challenge to know where, each moment is, musically speaking, because there's so many textures going on at once. It's also an incredible experience to be up there and to be bathed in the sound of the CSO. I mean, that's just, it's astonishing. I inhale, I exhale, shake my hands out, get ready, and realize it's time to press go. Green, go. Because it's really, that's what I love about live performance. You can just travel. It's like surfing a wave. You catch the wave and you just go and you just, have that, hopefully what will be a wonderful, exciting, special experience. And so it's a rush.